Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that offers an exceptional blend of versatility, efficiency, and style. Let's dive into what makes it a standout choice in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Corolla Cross combines modern elegance with rugged appeal. Its bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular lines create a commanding road presence. Newly designed alloy wheels and fresh colors like radiant blue metallic add a vibrant touch, while practical features such as roof rails enhance its utility for adventure seekers. Inside, the interior is designed for both comfort and convenience. The cabin accommodates 5 passengers with high-quality materials and ergonomic seating that ensures long-lasting comfort. A 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto takes center stage, while an optional JBL sound system provides an immersive audio experience. Ample cargo space, 60/40 split folding rear seats, and available dual-zone climate control make it perfect for both everyday commutes and road trips. Under the hood, performance is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT transmission. Drivers can also opt for the hybrid variant, which delivers a remarkable 37 mpg combined. The available all-wheel drive system adds confidence on slippery roads or rough terrain, making the Corolla Cross a versatile option for any driving condition. When it comes to safety features, Toyota ensures peace of mind with its Safety Sense 3.0 suite. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and road sign recognition. Optional features like blind spot monitoring and a panoramic view monitor further enhance safety, making it one of the most secure options in its category. The unique selling points of the Corolla Cross include its practicality, hybrid fuel efficiency, and Toyota's trusted reliability. It strikes the perfect balance between a sedan and an SUV, offering an eco-friendly yet spacious and capable ride for urban and adventurous drivers alike. Finally, the price of the 2025 Corolla Cross starts at just $24,000, making it an affordable yet feature-packed choice for compact SUV enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is a versatile, stylish, and reliable vehicle that meets the needs of modern drivers. Thank you for watching Wheelhouse Wonders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. See you next time.